Hello, welcome to another episode of Untethered for Life, where I attempt to live a life untethered. So today, I'm gonna go get some nicotine in Zagreb, Croatia, because I am almost out. Alrighty, so I need vape juice. I'm gonna be heading out to the mall. That's the exit to my building here. Might get a chance to do some street interviews. So we'll see. So come join me. We're going to the mall. So I made it to the mall. Before I start showing you footage of the mall, I didn't realize something. There was apparently a fairly important football game on, not a soccer game. I made that mistake later, but anyway. There's an important football game on that Croatia is playing against Japan. I didn't know this at the time, but I do know that football's pretty important for cultures outside the United States. So what a really neat opportunity today, because when I entered the food court of the mall, it was the final series of penalty kicks in the game Croatia versus Japan. The next bit of footage will highlight that. So exciting. Everybody is glued to a TV. The excitement is crazy. Before I came into this mall, there was some live broadcast outside, blaring speakers filling the city square. They really like their soccer here. Wow, what an experience that was. As soon as I heard the first applause, the entire environment felt so alive. It was really neat experiencing joy and excitement and that thrill. It's universal. I had no idea what they're saying. I didn't even know what they were cheering for in the moment. I just saw a lot of people that were really happy and excited. It was so nice. It was so fun. However, I do have a regret. So I mentioned on my way out to you, my audience, that I was hoping to do some street interviews. Well, I don't know. The shy little kid came out in me and I couldn't bring myself to talk to some of these folks. If I had to speculate, they were probably all really excited. It seemed clear that they had a lot of pride for their team. They had a vested interest. The game was everywhere, and it took me a second to even realize it. As I was walking to the underground mall, there was a nearby bar with a huge TV outside blaring it. I couldn't understand it. It's all gibberish to me. I don't know Croatian. That's what it sounded like to me. So I'm like, oh, that's cool. Something's going on over there. Little did I know, it was a very critical and important soccer game. So that was pretty neat. And then, of course, on the way out, I got lost in the mall. My wife wasn't with me. We probably would have been just fine had she been with me. I was so lost and confused. Couldn't read any of the signs. But anywho, next series of clips show that. Well, what an experience. Just got done getting some vape juice at the mall. Come to find out, it's illegal to sell vape juice with nicotine in it. You have to mix it yourself. So that's kind of neat. But I got some vape juice, which is good. Bought my lady flour, because I'm a good husband. But all right, I think I'm gonna go back to the Airbnb, hang out a little, relax, get some sleep, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Alrighty, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please comment if you liked it. So far, the responses I've had just on the first couple of videos I've done have been nice, tremendous. You guys have been giving me a lot of courage to keep doing this, to keep filming, keep recording. And I hope that the next film or the next shot or the next exciting thing happens, I have the courage to engage with people here. I'm looking forward to when I break that barrier. You as an audience encourage me. So with that, if you've enjoyed the content so far, I would humbly request that you subscribe to my channel and check out my blog down below. Alright, thank you.